we have to use sanitizer. But the best thing about what we have done about modern hand sanitizer is that when you apply this, you want to keep applying it again and again because it smells like a smell. It smells like a scent. It has got amazing lavender smell, and that is the USP what we have, and that is the reason it has been approved in Dubai as well. Dubai, otherwise quality is like, they don't compromise on the quality. And when we send the samples over there, they really like it, and we started supplying in a lot of stores over there.
I'm very excited, but he is not only taking modern hand sanitizer to Dubai, he's taking the brand Uganda to Dubai. So an industrial hub is now having a product from Uganda. And probably this is the first product that we're having in the Dubai market as Ugandans. And we're very excited about it. And the demand is very, very high.
olw'okufuna amakolero amangi mu Njeru municipality nga lino ya modern distiller, modern tiles era n'amakolero gonna ne aluminium n'amalala, kigenda okwongera okulaba nga kiyambako ku bavubuka aba generation y'abavubuka ento okusobola okuba nga bafuna emirimu. N'olwekyo okubaawo kw'amakolero mu municipality yange kya muwendo nnyo. Ekyokubiri nti okuba n'amakolero amangi kigenda okwongera okulaba nga kiyambako okulaba nga tufuna emisolo emingi mu municipality eno, bannanjeru municipality bafune service gye baagala.